Rise and shine, lovies! Time for us to kick off day 18 of Vlogmas. So the plan for the day is to tackle the cookie tin, get myself ready for work, or vice versa. Get myself ready for work and then tackle the cookie tin. And then later, I think I'm finally ready to give this black cake a try. So keep watching. Right, so I just grabbed for the cookie tin. And today's question of the day is this one. Minimum yardage when fabric shopping. So go ahead and leave me a comment down below and let me know what is the minimum yardage that you purchase when fabric shopping without a specific project in mind. Righty-hoo, so I buy my fabrics on a whim. Now, I don't fabric shop with a particular project in mind just because of where I'm located. It is just not economical for me to buy one piece of fabric per project. So I like to buy my fabrics in bulk when the spirit strikes me. What can I say, you guys? I like looking at and owning beautiful fabric. That means my minimum fabric purchase is usually 3 yards. Out of 3 yards, I can get most things made up in my size. So I can get a gathered dress, I can get a pair of trousers, I can get numerous shirts and blouses, and so 3 yards is my comfort spot. Now, if perchance I happen to know what I want to make with a particular fabric, maybe it is because I have a particular project due, then I may go ahead and buy 2 or 2.5 yards. Sometimes I might push the envelope and buy 4 yards if I'm thinking of doing a longer dress or a longer tiered dress. But as I said, usually I go for 3 yards of fabric. Now that I've told you mine, leave me a comment down below and let me know what is your minimum fabric when you do not have a specific project in mind. Anyways, you guys, as usual, mama's got adulting to do, so I'll check back in with you guys a little bit later. Lovies, guess where I am again? Back in the kitchen. Now I'm finally ready to go ahead and give this black cake a try. Now, you might have seen it in one of the earlier episodes of Vlogmas. I was preparing my fruit by soaking it in some rum. Truth be told, it really should have been soaking a long time ago, but I really just didn't have any intentions at all to bake a black cake. For some reason, the spirit has moved me. Maybe it's because I'm doing Vlogmas, and maybe it's because I want to share so much of our culture with you guys. Maybe that's why I feel the need to bake this cake. Whatever it is, I'm about to go ahead and give it a try, and I am going to take you guys along with me for the ride. Remember, I said in the other video, sink or swim, I'm going to share with you my final cake. So let's go. Alright folks, so my batter is done. Obviously I did not show you guys every single thing that I put in it because some things just have to remain a secret. Here is to praying and hoping that this batter makes for a great cake. So I'm going to put this into my pan now, and then I'll pop it in the oven and wait for the next hour or so for it to bake. Right, let's do it.